This is the demonstration of wireless joystick based servo motor angle controller. This is wireless joystick. This is the HC12 trans receiver module. This is 18E85 microcontroller. This is Arduino Nano that works as a receiver MCU. This is another HC12 that is the receiver, and here there are two servo motors. Now let us see. When I press this, it will control one servo motor in forward and reverse direction, and when I move it left and right, it will control another motor in both directions. So this is how you can control the servo motor angle control very precisely from remote end with the help of joystick. Thank you very much.